on, guys? Darman 101 here, coming right at ya for another video on this beautiful day on Good Friday. So I've been wondering if I should use my current drift mic, or I should use my Sony digital recorder. So I just want to do a sound test right now, see if which one is a lot better. I'm curious to hear what it's going to sound like when I get back home and edit this video, and hopefully it'll sound just as clear, and hopefully you can hear the bike as well. Because I find with the drift mic, well, my mic that's in my drift, it's you hear a lot of the bike, and I find it overpowers my voice sometimes, because it's loud, right? And the wind noise too. I don't really like the wind noise, but I kind of have to deal with it. So hopefully my recorder won't pick up the wind noise as much as my other mic will. Been a long 4 days since I last rode. Been raining a lot, but I got rid of all the salt and stuff. It's good. It's a nice truck. Why are you going so slow? Helmet vents on top, get some circulation in here. That's a lot better. Today I put a little GoPro mount inside my windshield here, so I can do some dual cam action. I originally have a little piece down here in the handlebars. It was all right, but I find it's too upwards. You only can see the sky. I want like see like kind of like straight and kind of behind me. That'd be nice. So when the girlfriend comes riding on the back, she can see her as well, guys. I was thinking of putting it on my mirror too, but I'm like, maybe as a third angle, because my mirrors are big or wide enough for the mount. So that's a plus for me. And I put in a new switch for my LEDs. My other one crapped out on me. When it would rain, water would seep through in the hole and screw up the contacts inside, and it would make it stay on when it wouldn't be on. And it just made my battery die, leaving it on for like a couple days. So got a new switch. Pretty good. There, now you can see my switch right here. Looks real good at nighttime, the white LEDs. I really like them. I got the LEDs for around for 4 of them. I think I got it for like 15 bucks or something. It was pretty cheap. It would have been cheaper if I bought the rolls, but I'm not going to use that much LED. Oh, gas is so expensive there lately. The other day it was at 97 cents a liter, and then boom, overnight $1 $1.17 a liter. It's ridiculous. That's like $5 a gallon. But a 20-cent increase. It's ridiculous. As Canadians, we get hit all the time. High gas prices and shit. I remember when I was a little kid, gas was 60 cents a liter. And even before my time, it was like, way before my time, it was in gallons. And then the government decided, oh, let's go into liters instead, so everyone got screwed over with that. The imperial system, or the metric system, I should say. So I just went out for a little ride, guys, just to test out my mic and my Sony Recorder. Well, I spent $70 on it, so hopefully it's pretty good. My girlfriend used it there a couple times and her voice was pretty clear. And when she used it, there wasn't, I couldn't really hear the bike that much, but we'll see. Depends. Maybe when I give it the beans, you can hear. Well, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Hope you liked it, and please like, comment, share, doodly do what you gotta do. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, guys, for watching all my content. Peace.